This is a machine pedal. Quite an unusual device. Nothing like it in the world except for the machine. It creates crossover distortion. Dual frequency tripling. If you know what that means, well, it doesn't really matter. Let's just get on to what it sounds like. I've got the input turned up almost all the way. I turn it up generally all the way and then back it down just a little bit. And I put the output generally kind of in the middle or a little bit higher depending on how I have the limit set. The limit adds fuzz. Well, let's listen to it as I kick this in. First, without the machine, do a bent note. Now with the machine. Now without the machine, do a double stop, bend two notes together. And now with the machine. Now what's really fun about this is if you put it into another distortion, if a distorted amp or a fuzz like the Fuzz Factory, you can cut through all that distortion with the machine. For example, let's hear the Fuzz Factory alone. Now we'll show how we can cut through all that fuzz with the machine. Now, without it, it becomes kind of lifeless. And with it, comes back to life. Now, it works with a distorted amp just as well as it does with a fuzz. It also has internal fuzz if you want to use it that way. Well, let's listen to it as he's playing a little bit more just with the machine alone, and I'll turn the limit and output knobs. It also sounds quite interesting with a drum machine going through it or other artifacts like that. We don't have one plugged in right now, but you should try it. Have fun.